Hi everyone, so for today's video I'm going to share with you how to make this super cute little mini memory Dex box. Now what inspired me to make it really small was one, the Heidi Swapp punch, and also the ephemera that I get when I purchase certain collections, especially with crepe paper. They always have ephemera, and it was a perfect size to fit in this cute little memory box. So I made a Valentine theme one. It says, "Will you be mine?" It's the front. And then you can see how I use the tags and then the cute ephemera. So I hung a tassel. I added my flare button. And I thought it was really cute. Now this one I created. This is basically 3 by 2.5. Actually, no, it's not 3. I made a little bit smaller than 3 because this is 3 inches wide. So I made it 2 7/8 by 2.5 in height. And then I rounded the corners. And then I just added some chipboard pieces to it. And this one as well. And it's just really cute. It's a really fun little project. Okay, so let me show you how I made this. So first we're going to make the box. And good thing with the box, you can use a 6x6 paper. Good way to use up your 6x6 paper pads. But I'm just going to cut it out of this Echo Park paper. So Valentine theme one. So I'm going to cut. So the height is 6 inches and the width is 5. So let's make this 5. So width is 5. And then the height is 6. So I'll make this 6. Okay. So we got that. That creates the box. So let's get our scoreboard. And you're basically just going to score at all 4 sides at 1 inches. So really simple. So 1 inch and 4. And then 1 inch and 5. Okay. And then you're going to fold the score line. I'll make this the inside. So you'll score all those scored lines. Okay. And then you're going to cut a slit. So let's cut our slit. And then I like to cut at an angle. It's just easier to build the box. So you're going to do that on all 4 sides. And just cut. Okay, and now we're going to build the box. So we're going to glue in these tabs. And I'm just going to use some of this beacon glue. So just go ahead and add some glue. Alright, and then just build the box. Really quick and easy, which is nice. Okay, so now this makes the Memory Dex box. And then you can decorate the front. It's optional, it's up to you. Here I just added a die cut piece And then I layered over it with another die cut piece and then a little chipboard heart sticker. Okay, so now to make the track, you're going to cut again. So let's get our trimmer. And you're going to need 2 pieces. And I'm going to use this side. And that is going to be 1.5 inches wide. So 1.5. I need 2 of those. So 1.5. And then the height is 3 3/4. So 3 3/4. So I didn't do the full 4 inches. That's optional if you want it to go all the way, you know, from the front to the back. But I just didn't do it that way. But again, you could do that if you like. Okay, so you need those 2 pieces. I'm going to do some scoring. So on the 1.5 inch side, you're going to score at 1/4 inch. So 1/4 inch, 5/8, 7/8, and 1 1/4. And you're going to do that to both pieces. So again, on the 1.5 inch side, you're going to score at 1/4 inch, 5/8, 7/8, and 1 1/4. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and fold those. Let's go ahead and fold it. Got my bone folder, but I'll just use my fingers for now. So we'll fold both pieces. Okay, so on the inside of one of the tabs, you're going to add some adhesive. So I got this 1/8 double-sided tape. I purchased this from scrapbook.com. And you're just going to add it to one of the tabs at the end. Let's just do that. Okay, I'm going to do that to both pieces. Okay, and then go ahead and peel out the film. And then what you're going to do is you're just going to do this. You're going to fold it over. And this is what's going to create the track. Okay, so it's going to look like this. I'm going to do that to the other piece. You could just do this and just fold over. Okay, so now you got your track, and then you're going to glue it to the inside of here. Okay, but before we glue it down, let's cut just one piece. Let's create a Memory Dex card. Now again, you can use your tags, your ephemera pieces, but if you want to make a Memory Dex card, we'll do that and I'll show you. So it's going to be 2.5 inches in height. And then I made it 2 7/8 wide. Okay, and then we're going to take our Heidi Swapp punch. And what you want to do with the Memory Dex card or with the tag, you want to line it up within these two right here. Okay? So just as long as it's in the middle. And then you're going to punch. And then you're going to get this. Now, in order for it to stay on the track, I had to cut these pieces. So just cut those. I tend to stay on the track better when I cut these pieces. So you'll get something like that. Okay, but let's glue our track down first. Why is it not sticking? Oh, because I didn't peel the film all the way. Okay, let's add some, and I use wet glue. That way I can move it just in case I need to. Let's see. I put the first one down. I just eyeball it. Or you can use this as a guide. That way you kind of get an idea where it sits. Yeah, that's about right. Okay, and then we'll glue the other one. And I glued down the where it's folded, so you don't see the fold. Okay, and then I just do this. That way it's even. I just do that. That's why I use wet glue. Oops. Some glue down there. And there you go. And that's how I made it. Really easy. And then you could just take it out, put it in the track. Or you can add, like I did here, I added some tags. So you can see where I punched the tag. It makes a cute little Memory Dex box. So I hope you give it a try. Really fun and quick to make. And it's a good way to use your ephemera pieces. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.